Hey everyone, welcome back to again my channel Roy Interior World. In today's video, I'm going to share with you wardrobe design with a dressing table for your bedrooms. You can also create these kind of designs in hall. Wardrobe design in hall, you can also check for this. This video will be helpful for you. In the video, I have shared almost 150 covered idea for your bedrooms, and we will discuss about some type of design. Wardrobe design with a dressing table is a great idea for small bedrooms. In this way, you can use all the space efficiently and you can create a beautiful dressing table within your wardrobe. Dressing table is an important part of our daily life. If you don't have a separate space for that, you can create one within your wardrobe. In the video, I have shared various types of designs and color combination idea for your bedrooms. You can choose one according to the interior design and color combination of your bedroom. Here are some type of designs which are available for you. First of all, we will talk about monochromatic color. If you want to choose a wardrobe in a single color, that could be a good idea for your bedroom. Single color wardrobe like all white color, light green or any other neutral shade which is light, you can choose these kind of shades for your small bedrooms. Wardrobes that occupy the largest space in your bedroom. If you will choose dark and deep color wardrobes for your bedroom, they will definitely make your room smaller than their original size. But in contrast, if you choose your wardrobe in light colors, shades like white and light gray, they will help you to create a large bedroom illusion. Wardrobe design with glass finish can also be a good idea for small rooms. In these type of designs, you can choose laminated wooden in glass finish or glass wardrobe for your bedroom. They will perfectly blend up with your modern or contemporary interiors. Like in this picture, wardrobe design with loft and a dressing table can also be a good idea for small bedrooms in apartments where space is always luxury. These lockers will help you to store all your necessary things and create extra space in your bedroom. Your designs are available with a loft and a dressing table, which I have shared in the video. Wardrobe design with two colors. Well, this is also most popular idea in India. Various type of designs are available with two type of colors. Variety of designs you will find. People who love colors and want to experiment with their wardrobe. These kind of designs provides eye-catching look to your bedroom. Hopefully friends, you will find this video helpful for all the designs. You will like the video. If you like the video, you can like it, and if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of designs and ideas. Thank you for visiting here. Enjoy the video and don't forget to share this video with others.